The spray lubricants don't seem to work very well. They work for a while, but then they wear off really fast. So I'm going to try some turtle wax, super hard shell finish, which is designed for paint, and this is bare aluminum, but I'll give it a try because when the snow sticks to the shovel, it is not fun. It's just so much more weight. I'm going to put this on pretty heavily. And I'm not going to wipe it off. I'm going to just leave it on there, let that dry, and just leave it, and I'll give it a try. I won't put it on the rest of the surface. And I just had some real wet, heavy snow, and snow consistency can vary quite a bit. But this wax worked better than any of the other lubricants that I tried. And it held up pretty good. I don't have a huge driveway. It's probably 40 feet by 12, and there was probably 4 inches of snow on it. Did that whole thing, and then by the end it was starting to stick again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another coat of wax on, and I put a dab on this rag and just wipe this on. And again, I'm not going to wipe this off. I want to leave as much of the wax on this metal, which is aluminum, as I can. And I'll cover the rest of that surface. I'll be ready for the next wet, sticky snow. Be sure and check out my other videos.